Hello, my friends. Today I will draw another anime character. The name is in the description. The first step is to sketch outlines. This is the most difficult part, but don't be scared off. You can just take a screenshot of my drawing, then import it into your drawing app and create a new layer on top, then trace. The second step is to finalize the outlines. Don't be surprised that I can draw perfect lines so easily. This is all because my 10,000 hours of practice. I was kidding. For each of the lines, I probably need to draw 3 to 10 times before I'm satisfied. See, you can do better than me. For the second step, the most important thing is to make sure there's no gaps between lines, so I can proceed to the next step properly. After filling in solid colors in the third step, I feel like I can call my art as done. However, I want to make my drawing even better by adding shadows and highlights. I'm using eraser to shape the shadows. Another way is to draw contours for shadows and highlights, then fill in darker or lighter colors. Remember, the purpose of shading is to divide big areas of solid colors into smaller pieces to make it more interesting, so there is no absolute right or wrong of what shapes the shadows or highlights should be. Be brave and follow your heart. I draw a lot, sometimes my eyes hurt. Hope you like this video, then I'm happy. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Sayonara.